Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video, you'll learn how to enable power button ends call in Poco F4 5G smartphone. Before we start the video, I request you to subscribe our channel for more interesting phone videos. First of all, open the settings of the phone, then choose additional settings, then swipe up, and click on the accessibility. Now we need to choose the tabs. So second one is vision and hearing, and you need to choose physical. Now you can see the option power button ends call. You need to enable the quick toggle. So after you enabling, when you are in call, you can easily press power button to end the call. So it's a very easy one. So after enabling that, you can do that. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up. See you next video. Bye bye.